My name is Prendone, and I will follow the screencast that will show you my itgs project. To start with, you need to open a browser such as Chrome. Then you need to input the site name, and this takes you to the home page. In the home page, you will find all the pictures that were downloaded and photoshopped in order to prevent copyright usage, and the content that was imputed by myself, provided by Tom. He required a website that was both funny and functional, so the students will find it attractive. The design of the website was done with Tom himself, with an oldish, bookish type of layout. Here there is a joke that Tom decided to put in, and the background image was photoshopped as well. Here we have the name of the banner, that is Tom, and it will always take back to the home screen. Then we can follow the first link to year 12, my current year. Here I have inputted the two separate groups that Tom has, language and literature, and on the other hand, literature. Language and literature has language and cultural context as a difference from literature, and they have to read different things and they have to work on different stuff. That is why in the middle section the past papers is high level for literature and standard level for language and literature. These links will open to two past papers that Tom decided would be useful for us to study. Then if we continue down, we have a flash playing down, which is about Wilfred Owen, a poet that we both have to study, the both groups. Then we continue on to the calendar. The calendar is an applet that is provided by the Google Sites, and it was very useful for Tom so that every student can follow up on homeworks and study. Then on the top we have the books to buy link. That is a link provided by the school so that every student can see what books they need. Here we're testing all the links to see what works and to see the interactive flash player. Then we continue down to year 11. In year 11 they have the similar subjects and similar layout because it's a 2-year course of the same course that we're doing. So we have the past papers, the books to buy, literature, language and literature, the books you have to read, and the calendar as well. The comments here are available in the case that anybody wants to suggest anything to Tom, or in any case, me, the administrator of this web page, which will then be passed on to Tom. We continue to year 10. The layout changes a bit because it now becomes the IGCSE course, and the books to buy is still here since all the school shares the same link, but the syllabus, I found it really interesting for me to study. Then if we continue back to the web page, we will see that the calendar is still the same. The IGCSE past papers are different than the past papers from IB. If you enter the link, you're taken directly to the exercise. Then year 9 shares a similar layout as year 10 since it's the same 2-year course, and these areas are available for Tom to input this information that was not provided for this website. We continue to year 8, the layout changes, and due to lack of information there is no content here, but the books to buy link is there, the calendar applet is still there, and the area is provided for Tom to input his data. Year 7 is similar. The titles change a bit, but it's a similar layout for every single year, and they all change in content and in availability. Then, concluding with the screencast, you can see that the sitemap shows every year group and the homepage working as a hub, for example. Here Tom will have this same layout as he will be able to administer it, and we can see all the options that Google Sites provides, so this website can be very functional and useful. This screencast was made to exemplify the use of Flash that was not able to be shown in the criteria that was written down. So this screencast is now finished.